My point of view, the financial part is a crucial. My name is Natalia and I'm co-founder of Spectra Studio Kitchen. Our main core of business is supply and installation of the kitchen equipment. We are mainly working with not residential or commercial kitchens. We are mainly into the industrial side when we're talking about the restaurants, F&B hospitality sectors, either it's hotels or any other standalone restaurant in any area of UAE. And first of all, we are called Spectra Studio Kitchen. The direction that we choose is a little bit more like a boutique story, not a commercial showroom that we have multiple currently today available in multiple streets and locations. I'm not gonna name them. What makes us different in the market is that the services that we're offering currently are a little bit on a high standards compared to what people used to receive previously. My experience within this field is 10 years. So of course we have difficult projects, we have quick execution projects, and we have the, let's say I call them easy projects, right? We have different type of clients. Some of them they're easygoing clients, some of them are extremely demanding clients. I consider this my job as more like a hobby than something that I have to do on a daily basis. See, when it comes to any kind of business, right, we are good at our business, what we do. We can probably manage different part of our different sides of the business, but we cannot manage everything. Specifically when it comes to the financial part. I think the financial side is something that probably for uniques only. From your point of view, you will see that my field is difficult, right? So we cannot learn everything. So in general, of course, here I'm covering multiple sides of the business when it comes to the communication with the clients, when it comes to the commercial side, when it comes to the communication with the manufacturers, etc., logistic, all the sides of the business I'm able to cover myself, a part of the financial. And the core of our business is we are having a lot of documentation, because when it comes to the project, when we are proposing the manufacturers and the specific brands, we are talking about a minimum of 20 and plus up to 50 different manufacturers. And imagine that you have to issue for every procurement item, you have to issue PO, you have to do the payment, either it's advance payment and then the final payment. I mean, we do have multiple transactions happening when it comes to each project. And that's something where I cannot dedicate my time, and we need someone who will be monitoring all those documentation to prepare in the end proper files, either when it comes to the tax filing return or corporate tax filing. So we need to have all the documentation in order, and that's where we decided this kind of service to dedicate to us, to the professionals. So one of the main benefits that we've got from Alchemist team, they proposed us very exclusive and flexible commercial rates as a startup company. That was really very attractive, and we've been thinking, I mean, where is the trick, right? But then we decided to give it a try and see how it will go. Having a previous experience as well with another financial company, accounting management service that they provide to us, it was not up to our expectations. Though the company was a Russian-speaking company, and I was assuming that probably it will be easier for me to understand, and it's gonna be, we are from the same culture, we're talking the same language, and probably it will be easier for me to understand, and that's where I failed. That's where exactly the Alchemist team stepped in, visiting us, offering the services, and the proposal came very attractive, and we took it from there. From my point of view, the way I see that the financial part is a crucial. When people, they don't see the numbers, mainly they feel like, okay, I don't have much expenses, right? But because they don't count them. And then we are entering to the stage where we can have financial gaps, etc., etc. We're not able to manage. I think it's extremely important for me. My understanding is that the financial part needs to be monitored properly by professionals. Also, it will help skipping any unnecessary, probably hidden fines or penalties in case if you were not able to submit on time any of the required filings, right? I mean, you are skipping already from the beginning unnecessary fees which can come in the future. So another benefit that we've seen from the Alchemist accounting management service is that they are partnering with the software that we've selected for our company to work with. And it was really great because they provided us a proper training how to work on the software, how to customize our books. And of course, they organized all the chaos that we had there with our filings in a proper manner. So that was a really great support that they were into the same software that made our life really easier. And my team, they received the proper training, how to work, how to explore the software and see the possibilities. VS, again, if I will compare, the previous company we had an experience with, they were not able to adjust our Zoho Books based on our requirements. It was extremely important for me to have customized books. I don't want to have everything. I want to have only what's related to our business. And since we are into multiple SKUs always, we're having a lot of goods coming in and out. We need to track it. We need to track it in our system. So the team, they customized all the books for us based on our needs. And they organized everything properly. So from this chaotic atmosphere there, we start having a proper clear pictures. To be honest, I'm always stingy to recommend a good service company to someone, and because I don't want them to succeed as well. But same time, I do understand that I have to, because definitely I will, if you ask me directly. And now what I'm saying is a little bit of a joke, right? I definitely will, but deeply inside, I do not want, because I want to keep you for me. I want to keep best for the best.